Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani, and today's video is just my birthday makeup look. I know I already dropped 3 videos for the week, but I decided why not to go ahead and give you guys another video. This video is really about the foundation that I use. So you guys know I normally use Juvia's Place Shade Sticks for my foundation, but this time I wanted to try something new. And this one is by Radiance Beauty. It is their Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup. Guys, I haven't used liquid makeup in like maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years, because I just love the shade sticks. But I'm not gonna lie, this foundation almost gave me a run for my money. Like, it almost catfished me for real. So as I stated before, guys, it is my birthday, but I don't know about you guys, if you ever had that one time out of the year that it is your birthday, that you just felt really mellow, really content, and that you just didn't feel like celebrating your birthday. I know people kept telling me, you know, it's the one day of the year people come out to celebrate you, but I've had so many blessings that I've just been celebrating myself and learning to love myself more and really just honing in on this newfound focus way of thinking that I have, and I've just been chilling. And today I'm trying to get myself out of this weird calmness, because it can come off as kind of meh or come off as kind of sad, but I'm not sad at all. I'm actually very happy. I'm just very calm and content. Like, I'm just really happy with the way life is going right now. But I don't know if you guys have ever had that like one time out of the year, but let me know in the comments down below if you've had. Like, I feel like I'm being weird, but I'm not trying to be weird at all. Like, I promise you I'm not. But, you know, I decided why not go ahead and get my makeup done. And, you know, go out with my husband tonight and either go catch a movie or find something to do, really. Just so that way I can get out of this funk. And it's weird because it's not a funk, but it feels like it, but it's not. It's definitely a newfound sense of calm. But whatever it is, I just want to feel like, you know, a little bit more peppier or preppier. I don't want to feel so mellow, because it's not a mellow day. It's my birthday, and I feel like I should be really excited. So I'm not going to really go into much about the products that I'm using for my eyeshadow and all the other stuff, because it's not what this video is really about. I'm not even really going to give you guys too much in depth of my, not base routine, because, well, not really my base routine, but like my highlighting and contouring routine, because you guys have seen that already. If you want to learn more about that, just let me know in the comments below and I'll drop another video about that. Like I said, this video was really about the foundation. It's an affordable foundation that I picked up from Walmart, and I was like, you know, let me go ahead and give it a try, because I've been using Juvia's Place for about a year and a half now, and I just wanted to test something out. And then plus, since I've gotten better at shade matching, I really wanted to see, you know, the difference between other brands and what they offer with their foundations. So I decided the first one to pick up is Radiance Beauty, because why not? Black girl friendly. So I am in the shade Bisque, which is also 8417. This cute little jar, it's oof, like oof. Just wait, because when I apply this foundation, you guys are gonna be like, well, why were you shook? So when you look here, it looks like it's exactly my skin tone. So I got excited and I was like, okay, I found my perfect match. Yay for me. However, when I started blending it out, because I use a brush, I don't use a damp beauty blender, because I've gotten out of the beauty blender phase. Don't get me wrong, I love beauty blenders, but I just wasn't feeling it with this. So I'm using my brush, and I feel like it started oxidizing, and I feel like it started getting really dark and really orange, and that's what scared me, because with my Juvia's Place, I create my perfect shade match, so that way that there's no difference in my complexion, like from my neck and my face, because nobody wants to walk around looking like they have on a mask. So I was really scared here. So I was just like, you know, let me finish. Like, it looks good, but at the same time, I was like, I don't know, it's giving me really, really dark, and I haven't had a tan yet, and maybe that's just it. And it's probably what this foundation is going to be. It's like my tan foundation, but it was scaring me because it oxidized so quickly. Like, don't get me wrong, it's so lightweight, and yes, it is oil free, because I'm an oily girl and I have to set like crazy, and I have not only just the powders but with my setting sprays, and then I'm always trying to find like oil free friendly products for me. But I was like, you know, let me finish up my routine and maybe it'll get better. So I just started, you know, doing my regular routine with highlighting and contouring. And I don't know, guys, I was really just not happy with this foundation. I really wasn't. In the beginning, that is. Don't get me wrong. Don't go ahead and already take this as a, oh, don't go buy this foundation. I did not say that. It's just, it's in the beginning, it's not the best. On a better note, guys, we are going out to go see the new Doctor Strange movie, and I can't wait. We're gonna go see it in 3D, but all the seats are taken, and they're showing. This is the crazy thing, though. They have so many showings going on, but all of the best seats are taken. I'm gonna have to like break my neck to look at the screen. But luckily, the chairs that they have there are reclinable. I think reclinable is the word, but it's reclinable, so we can chill out and relax and just have a nice movie day. However, because of so many showings, I know a lot of people's going to show up because I think the movie just came out yesterday. I already know that the food is going to take forever to get out there. And if you guys don't know, I am pregnant and I am not the happiest person when I am hungry. And that is my only downfall. So I hope that when we get there, my food will come out on time so I can just enjoy this 2-hour movie, 2.5, however long it is, and just eat my food. So I don't know if you guys can tell here, like it kind of looks a little bit darker compared to my neck, or maybe it's just me. You guys let me know in the comments down below if it's just me and I'm just freaking out about this foundation. But looking at it head on from the mirror, I was like, I am orange. This is not cute. Oh, when I head on, it looks fine. But when I turn to the side, I'm like, yeah, that's a little orange. I don't really like that, or that's a little dark. That's not what I'm feeling. And I was trying to fix it in every way I can. I was like, let me try to brighten it up a little bit, you know, my setting powder, or let me try to brighten it up with some concealer or whatever was left over my foundation brush, since I went over the concealer anyway. And it wasn't bad, but it wasn't what I'm used to. Like I said, I haven't used liquid foundation in so long, so it kind of started me a bit because I was like, oh my gosh, it's really pigmented and it's really loose. I'm just used to like a quick, you know, stamp on and blend out and we're good to go. You know, now that I think about it, when I put my contour on, I probably shouldn't have put that darker shade on my chin. It probably also made it a little bit darker, but I just didn't want to seem flat in the face at all, so I just decided to go ahead and put it on there. See, it's making me feel like it's just me because on camera it looks like it perfectly matches with my skin tone. However, like I'm looking at it and it does just look, I don't know. Okay, now that I'm looking at it in the mirror again, it doesn't look too bad, but it still doesn't look like my skin tone like what I'm used to. Maybe just because I'm just used to using Juvia's Place, that I'm used to that specifically because I've been using it for so long. And I probably need to branch out and try some more foundations again. I used to use things like NYX, Too Faced, and of course Maybelline, because who isn't a Maybelline girl? But other than that, like I'm just like, oh, this foundation. Okay, so it's like I like it and I don't like it. I think I don't like it because of the oxidation, but I do like it because of it is smooth and it's oily girl friendly basically, and I think that's the main reason why I like it. But like I said, the don't is really just, it oxidizes really, really fast. Like as soon as I put it on, I was like, okay, color match. But then afterwards it was like, ew, you're starting to turn a little bit orange. Guys, my eyebrows, look at them. I feel like I've been having great eyebrow days. Like my other videos, like my eyebrows were popping, and I definitely feel like in this one they're giving again, like they're giving twins, and not just regular twins, but they're giving identical twins, and I'm here for it. Like, I've been doing brows since, oh my gosh, I think 10th grade. So I don't know how to perfect the brows, but I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, if you hear my son in the background, oh my gosh, y'all know I'm a mom, so y'all know how that goes. I try to get some silent time to record my voiceover, but it's the house I live in, so may not ever really just get that time. If I do, I'm a lucky one. I don't know why, but when I started putting on this black liner, guys, my eyes started watering bad. And my eyes don't normally water like that bad, but they were bad. I was over here like, please don't run on my makeup. I do not feel like blotting and trying to correct this stuff. I just want to get my makeup done and go out for the day and be done, because your girl, I'm really mellow, and I'm not trying to be too mellow, but I was just like, if I have to go back in and fix this, I don't want to do it no more. So now we're going into the lips. You guys already know what I use for this. And for y'all that don't know, I am a gloss girl, and I'm always going to add gloss to my lips no matter what. I try to do matte, and some days it comes out right, but I keep my lip gloss in my purse, and better believe that I'm putting it on right afterwards, because like I said, I love me some gloss. I don't care what it is, whether it's Butter Gloss by NYX, whether it's Milani Cosmetics, whether it's your beauty supply store brand lip gloss, I'm putting it on. I am a lip gloss girl, and I will forever be a lip gloss girl. I don't care if I'm going into a business meeting, I will have lip gloss on my lips. All right, guys, just because, now it's time to really give you the actual overall review of the foundation that I use. Like I said, I use the Black Radiance Beauty Color Perfect Oil Free Liquid Makeup. I am in the shade Bisque. So my overall review is that I definitely feel like it's worth the buy. It's very affordable. You can pick it up at Walgreens, CVS, or Walmart, or even in Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. But it's definitely a nice pickup. I definitely feel like it works well for my oily girls. Like I said, my only con was that it oxidized so fast, and that's what made me scared. Like, it got really dark and orange really fast, and I don't really like orangey undertones because not everybody has that reddish or that orange undertone. And maybe it's just me. Like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you definitely feel like I'm just tripping, because sometimes I am. But overall, I definitely feel like I am happy with my purchase, and I do love this foundation, and I definitely will be using it this summer when your girl steps outside and gets a better tan. So, like I said, if you need a new foundation, definitely add this to your makeup kit. glam room, personal, whatever you call it. But until then, I will see you guys next time, and I'm so glad you guys tuned in with me. Make sure you're checking out my videos weekly, dropping 3 new videos, and I will see you guys next time.